Okay, so let me start it recording. Okay, so Rahul, he is not available, and Nagendra, he is also not available. So might be they will join later, but no issues. Will continue, and also Sukritan is no, Sukritan is there. Okay, so first thing is, I would like to know, right? So yesterday sessions, okay, so each and every sessions, whenever I'll be conducting that sessions, so I'll take a 10 to 15 minutes feedback to from everyone. Okay, everyone, total 10 to 15 feedback, what you understand, whether you have any problem or not, whether you have an understanding gap or not. If everything is fine, then we'll be going through the today's or current days discussion. So that should be our agenda. So now my first point is, yesterday I mentioned about to create a attractive CV with the help of ChatGPT, and also I have shared the documents. So I mean, you have created, I know, and after that you have shared me message like, Devuda, can I add the experience? So I mentioned, if you don't have a real time experience, don't expose it. If you have worked on any kind of a open source community or any kind of project, might be a 2 3 person or 2 3 your roommate, or might be your classmate participate certain project, might be 1 month durations, doesn't matter. If you have done it, always you are feel free to mention on that CV, but don't make it 4 5 6 lines. It's a make within 3 to 4 lines, and what are the tech stack you have used and what roles you have played in a 1 line. Okay, so hope you have done it and your CV is ready. Yes or not, Rohit?
I have made a CV. I don't
Okay,
know whether it is correct or not. Have you reviewed it or not? I don't know about.
I have reviewed it. I have reviewed it. Okay, and did you share this CV to your college?
No, till now I have not shared.
Why?
Actually, I didn't know whether it was correct or not. Now I will share after your confirmation.
See, your CV is correct. Okay. That latest one, whatever you have shared me, that is 12/05/19. Okay, September. Okay. So that is a correct. Okay. So you can share this CV without thinking anything. Okay. Just one thing like if you mentions your hobbies and interests, okay, as a fresher you can mention, and you have a some space I can see. Okay. So you can mention hobbies and interests.
Okay.
Okay. So you can mention hobbies and interest. And last one more things, you have time. So a small project you can create is Spring Boot microservices. Okay, and you can upload in GitHub. Okay, and then you can mention in your CV. Okay, so that is one more suggestions to you. So right now you don't have. So that's what, it's okay, you are not mentioning, but going future, whenever you have done any certifications, example, so let's say you have done Udemy, some AI or basic, so anything you are doing, keep on adding. Are you getting my point? Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so that should be
Ha.
your final CV, and you should circulate that CV. Okay, and make 1 to 2 liner interest and hobbies, that's enough. Okay, and Mohit, did you created your CV? So I want you should also
Yes.
create the CV, and you should apply all those side. I don't want like a you should get the job from college. To be honest, Mohit, Rohit, I don't want you should get the job from on campus. Why? Do you know why? That is not mean like a you will be giving your worst performance. I want you should give your best performance, but I want you should be rejected and you should not get the job. Might be you are thinking, first time I am getting a teacher, who is saying we should not get the job in on campus. Why? Because if you get the on job in on campus, your that hungriness, okay, it will be die. Okay, because more you wait, more you fail, more you gain the knowledge, more big opportunity will come to you. And whenever you'll be getting the job through the off campusing, believe me, that would be a one of the best job. I can give you the guarantee. So this is a kind of a mid of third year, right? So we have planned for 6 months. After that, another 1 year is there. I mean, till completing your BTech degree or BE degree. I can give you guarantee if you put 1 hour 30 minutes consistent effort in a day, okay? I mean 6 days in a week, 1 day you can take the rest. Already I mentioned, and if you able to do so, I can give you the guarantee you will be the highest paid job holder before completing your BTech degree in your college or in your stream. I can give you the guarantee. Just believe in yourself. Okay. Okay. So resume part gone. And second point I mentions last day sessions. See, always try to. I mean, if you want, you can another things you can take a small notebook that would be very helpful for you people. Small notebook, just whatever I am saying, don't write all those things. Concentrate what I am saying. But whenever I am saying some points, try to remember this point, or if you want, you can take a small notebooks. Okay, 10 pages enough for the entire sessions. Entire sessions means like a 6 month sessions. I mean, whatever the main point, you will be able to understand. So first things gone. And second point I mentions, each and every day you should at least invite 30 people to the LinkedIn. Doesn't matter they have blocked you or not. If they blocked you, when they will, okay, again reset from block to unblock, again you will be starting the same fashions every day. It's a 5 minutes job. Have you done this, Rohit and Mohit?
Yes, yes, I am doing it.
Okay. So how many connections, new connections you got in a week?
About 90.
90.
Yes, yes.
So earlier, what was the head count? 350 something, right?
No, not 350. It was around 417. Now it is 516.
516. Okay.
Hmm.
So if you continue this one, so within 1 month you will be having how much? 1000.
Yes, nearly about 1000.
So that is my statement. Okay. So this is the important. Okay. Mohit, I don't know whether you are doing or not. If not, okay. So you can continue because more you people, I mean, you will be touch on more people, so you'll able to get more opportunity. Okay. That is the second point. And third point I mentions, I mean that key point, whatever we learned from last sessions. One is resume preparations and cover letter. I said cover letter is not mandatory, but if you want to make it, copy paste same things, put a prompt, generate the cover letter. You'll be getting the cover letter. That's it. Second point is LinkedIn, increase the LinkedIn connections. Third point I mentioned, whether you are doing or not, you try to upload your CV, Naukri, update your profile, Naukri, then LinkedIn, InstaHire. Have you done it or not?
I have made an account in Insta, but I am only getting 5 companies you are available to get
No
any.
issues, no issues. My point is whether you are getting a call or not doesn't matter. We are not bothering about the output, what we are doing. Right now, we are putting the effort. We'll see later. My point is, have you created the account, Naukri, Insta, and I have
Insta I've
mentioned
created.
Naukri? No. So these
No, no,
things,
Naukri not created.
I have created there.
yeah. So Mohit and Rohit, I am saying whatever I am saying. So this is just a 15 minutes effort. I said like you are a college student when you feel bored, open Naukri, update your profile or create a profile. Okay. Doesn't matter you are getting a call or not. For me, output is not matter. For me, matter is the effort and consistency. Is that clear? Okay. So after 2 years sessions, I want. Okay. Rohit, you should create the account.
I will create.
Okay. And not
Okay.
only Naukri, by end of this month, I want every site you have created your account. Every site, whatever mentions in that PDF page. Okay. Every job site you should create, update your profile with the updated resume what you had created. Okay. Same things for the Mohit. And going forward, okay, after 3 months, I'll guide you how to apply or what are the companies you can apply through the offline. Okay. So after 3 months, because this is not the right time for third year student, it will be started from Jan and February. Okay. So that time, because if you are creating the CV in kind of a, let's say, Meta or Google, so now they are not recruiting. So that is means your CV will be going down. Okay. So there is a, so that is means when actual their drive or might be they will try to shortlist your CV. So your profile would be, you know, keep down. So how that profile will come fast based on the score, then who are frequently updating the profile. So there is algorithm. Same thing is applicable in Naukri and others, right? If you try to change something in the profile each and every day, so your profile would be in top list. But if you don't update anything, your profile will be goes down. So that is means you will be losing the opportunity. So that's what I am telling. So initially you can keep update all the job portal, but later point of time, some of the companies, those who are consider through their own career portal like a Red Hat, okay, MongoDB. Lots of companies are there, so they recruit off campusing and they shortlist candidate from their career portal. Okay, so that time I'll give you the link. Everything's I'll guide you. Okay, don't worry. Okay. Okay, so yesterday we discussed about the yesterday sessions. So you peoples are cleared already. Mohit have done all the assignment. Assignment means like creating the profiles, updating the CV, everything. So you have to update your CV, adding the interest hobbies, and then you have to create multiple accounts in different job portal. So that should be your assignment. Okay. Okay. So now today's sessions. Okay. Let me take some water. Okay. So each and every day before starting the sessions, okay. So going forward, as I mentioned, from October onwards, we'll be having 2 days sessions in a week, Saturday and Sunday. If someday it will miss, so we'll cover in others weekdays. Let's say Wednesday. Okay. That can be possible. Okay. But we'll keep practice something so that it should keep in your mind. So practice is something. So whenever we'll be starting the sessions, I mean current sessions, let's say today's sessions, so we'll be having a 5 minutes counts. Okay, I'll set in my watch. Okay, in 5 minutes. Okay, so the agenda is we'll be starting. Okay, agenda is keep yourself calm wherever you are sit. So let's say you have seated in chair, tables, or might be bed. For me, doesn't matter. Sit, take a comfortable positions. Okay. Close your eyes. Deep breath. I'll utter this one after this. Take a deep breath, and then we'll utter some affirmations. Okay. And you have to say these affirmations by yourself, and then we'll visualize our success. Will be success means like let's say you keep in your mind, okay, after completing my 4 years, so I want to get a job in Google, Microsoft. Don't restrict yourself. If you have a something dream, so let's say for the time being you are thinking, okay, I can able to make SAP or whatever companies. Just stick one two companies and visualize you got the job, okay, and your family members are happy. So we'll be going through this one, don't worry. Okay, so Rahul already joined. Thanks Rahul for joining the sessions. Okay, so
Hi there, bro. Sorry, I'm driving actually. That's the reason I couldn't able to talk here.
no, it's fine. So you
Uh,
are at home right now?
no. I'm outside. I'll be back after 1 hour only. So most probably I wouldn't able to join this session.
Okay,
But
no
I'm
issues.
hearing it. Okay, yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
So
Bye bye.
yeah, so Mohit, you have to do it yourself. And now, since you are driving, so I don't want you should close your eyes. Just listen and feel. Okay. Uh, Rohit, Mohit,
Yes, yes.
take a comfortable positions. Okay. Take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now say with me, I am confident. I believe myself. I positive. I am energetic. My body and mind is relaxed. I am intelligent. I am very good in logical thinking. I am very good at problem solving. I am very good on data structure and system designing. I am very good on advanced data structure. I can solve any kind of coding problem easily. I am able to calculate the complexity of a algorithm easily. I am very good on reasoning. Day by day, my confidence is increasing. I am getting stronger in problem solving. I am unbeatable. And I am positive. I am a miraculous. I got my dream job. Mention your company name. Google. I am very happy. Now slowly visualize. You are attending the interview on your dream companies. First of all, visualize your CV got shortlisted, your interview got scheduled, you are well prepared, you are going through all the interview rounds, you cleared all the rounds, you are happy, you are attending the HR interview rounds, you have done it successfully. Now, finally, you got the offer letter. Just try to visualize. When your dream company offer letters you have seen in your mail, you are happy, you are blissful, your family members are happy, and your all the classmates or colleagues they are happy. You are like going to a sky. Your dream life will be starting soon. Visualize. Try to feel that situations. You have done it. You have already achieved. You have already cracked in your dream companies. You already got the offer and you are joining. Think your first day at the company. How you will celebrate your first day with your friends, colleagues, classmates, with your family, relatives. Just feel it for 30 seconds. Try to visualize. Okay? Now finally, thank you to universe. Thank you, your all teacher. You should thanks like you are getting the knowledge. Thank you, your college or your current company. Okay. And thank you, everyone. Okay. Slowly close your eyes. Hello. First of all, I would like to know the experience from each and everyone. So, Mohit, if you want to share your experience first, you can share.
Like
How you are feeling?
my learning curve is going well.
Okay. No, no, no. After doing this technique, how you are feeling right now? Your current
Relaxed,
feeling.
relaxed.
Your mind is keep calm, relaxed,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Okay. Rohit, how you are feeling?
I'm feeling calm. My mind is has become calm.
Calm, relaxed, no
Hmm.
tension,
Yes.
no nothing. So that is means now at this stage, if we practice something, okay, it will be keep in your mind for long term. And I want everyone, I mean Mohit, Rohit, you want, okay. So every day, 3 times, okay, only 5 minutes, morning, afternoon, or night. And if you, let's say, if you are not getting time afternoon since you are in college, okay, So just do it in morning and night. That is enough. 5 minutes is enough for me. So I want it should trigger in your subconscious mind. Might be you are thinking like a Devuda is taking kind of a mindset. No, ultimately it is connected your success. I want you should be succeed. That's what you have enrolled for the sessions, right? So only learning data structure, I mentioned very fast. Learning haphazardly data structure system designing will not help you to crack good companies. You need consistent effort, and for this consistency, this is matter. When you will practice this one 7 days, I'm telling you, uh, till now, if you have not done that one, from tomorrow onwards, twice in a day at least, 7 days you can do it, at least I'll say at least 14 days, automatically you will able to get 1 hour 30 minutes automatically. It will be arranged for you and you will be able to practice. Okay, so that's enough talking done. Okay, now let's jump to our agenda. Okay, and my whole objective was you should be able to concentrate, and you should, how people have the concern how we can make it consistent. Okay, consistency will come based on your thoughts process. So when you are dealing with your subconscious mind, so automatically your subconscious mind will help you to make yourself consistent. Okay, yeah, see, in these sessions will not go to jump in the hashing. Okay, there is a lots of technique, hashing, two hips, so we'll not go to jump that kind of sessions. Our objective is we should clear our very basic technique. Okay, like there is a matrix, numbers, tree, backtracking, graphs, tries, advanced graph, knapsack, 1D DP, 2D DP, beat manipulations, lots of things are there, right? So definitely we'll be going through this one in coming futures. And that is our plan for 6 months objective. But yeah, so today we have planned for to gain the knowledge on the basic part. Okay. Now, so when I am saying the basic part, you should be clear on the basic theory part. Okay. I hope my screen is visible to everyone, right?
Yes, yes, your screen is visible.
Okay. So basic part is string manipulation. String manipulation. So that is the basic. Second part is array. 1D. Okay. Then array 2D, or you can say matrix. Okay. Fourth, number system. Number system. Okay. Fourth is number system. Correct. Fifth, number series. Number series. Today also I am getting same problem in my pen. Okay. Wait for next sessions. I'll be changing. I have to buy another touchpad. Number series and pattern. Some kind of a pattern. Okay. Some kind of pattern. Okay. So that is our objective. Is that clear? Okay. So again, my target is I'll give you the notes, everything. Our target is, I mean, onwards October sessions. Okay. Before starting, you should complete your profile to all the job portal. Second part is you should have average knowledge on this part. Okay. We are not saying about the medium difficult part. We are saying about the easy level question. Okay, easy level questions. Now let's, I have to hide this one. Okay. Acha. This is having a problem. Okay. So string manipulations, array, 1D, 2D, number system, number series, pattern. Okay. So string, there is a lots of problem. Okay. Let's say string. Okay. String, str. We can start with simple hacker algo. Okay. Right.
Yes, yes.
So there is a space. Okay. There is a space. Okay. In order to perform string related operations, what we need to understand? Can anyone tell me what we need to understand? What is basic we need to understand? In order to perform any string related operations, what basic things we need to understand? Anyone?
Like, what is the string?
No. We need to
Like
understand.
how index, how we can read any character at any index.
Correct. So basically, how to iterate the string. I mean,
Yes.
how each and every character of the string, how we should iterate. Correct? Am I agree? So sorry, are you agree with me, Rohit?
Yes.
Yes, yes, yes. It's all out indexing.
Yeah. So now, so let's say my questions is count vowel, okay, or consonant, okay, count vowel or consonant. So that is means you have to traverse the string. Similar things when we'll be talking about the data structure, so that time T, BFS, DFS will come. So similarly, string, how we can traverse, right? So in a Java, simple method is there. Okay, you can do it two ways in Java, right? One is count the length of the string, that is str.length, correct? You have count this one, then start index I0, correct? I less than this length I plus plus, correct? And then what you can write, str dot char at index I, correct? I am able to access individual character. Okay. And second, what is the second? Second way we can do it. So we can take another array. Let's say another array we can take it. That is character array. We can write it str dot to char array. There is a method, right? To char array. Okay, and then we can go same things. I is equals to 0, I less than, this is array length, array dot length. Okay, I plus plus. Since here we are doing it array, so that's what ARI. Correct. So what we are doing in a simple term, we are counting the length. Okay, then we are picking one character, then index next character, next character. This is a basic. Am I clear?
Yes, yes.
Right? These two ways we can done it. Now, if I say how many vowel, so when you are iterating this one, so you can write whether is equals to capital A or small a or okay capital E, correct, or small e, then count plus plus, correct, then increase number by one, right?
Yes, yes.
So then we can say how many vowels and consonant count. Now if they will say how many space is there, if they will say how many space is there, so you can write equals to space. Okay, you can write this one. Okay, if they will say how many digit is there, so you can able to do that one, what I am saying, correct? Now if they will say how to reverse it, so that is means count vowels, count a special character, count space, or might be any kind of a letter we can able to do. Now if they say how to reverse it, how you can do it? We are starting from here, correct?
From length to
Yeah, we are starting from here, right? Zero index, right? 0 to
Yes.
n. So now, if we start n to 0, correct? I is equals to n, I greater than 0, I minus, means I am taking the character from
I
here.
minus minus.
Sorry. Yes, I said minus, but I have written plus, sorry. So then we can easily reverse it,
yes,
correct? So now we can able to find out any frequency, any vowels, any consonant. Now we can able to write the coding, how to reverse it. Just visualize, okay? Whatever will be going through it, just try to visualize in your mind. So you can reverse it. Now if the questions will come, can you check? Can you check palindrome or not? Palindrome not, correct?
yes,
So we know any strings, if we reverse it, okay, after reversing, if the string will be same with the original string, then it is called palindrome,
Palindrome.
correct? So now we know how to reverse it, then we can check the palindrome. So first of all, we
also we
can,
can reverse in half the time,
correct,
but
I'll come to
first
that later. So string str, okay, so we can take this is another string, so that our original should not be affected, okay, we have to take it in temporary variable, then we can reverse the str, and then we can compare our temporally that strings or means original versus reverse one. If both are same, then we can say palindrome. So then what we can do, simply we can do, okay, simply we can write a functions called reverse string. correct? We should pass some string, correct? And it should give this one, right? When I'll be getting this, say, let's say this is a string S, so then I can check if original, okay, dot equals, ignore case you can use, right? Then palindrome, correct? Else not. Agree or not?
Agree.
Rohit,
Yes,
are
yes,
you
yes.
okay?
Uh-huh.
So just think, one problem, we know how to iterate, we can reverse it. If we are able to reverse it, we can able to check the palindrome. Correct? Now here is the problem. What is the time complexity? Rohit, you can tell me.
Time complexity.
Huh.
Time complexity of big O of n.
Why? Why?
Hello.
Yeah, why time complexity?
I'm iterating through the full string, na?
Yes, absolutely, you are right. You are iterating the full strings, that is order of length, right? That's what the time complexity is, order of
N.
n. Hope you understood, right?
Yes,
Now,
yes.
now I know Moi knows the answer. Can you optimize this time complexity? Means, can you write this program better way?
Yes.
So, Rohit,
Yes.
how? How? So, palindrome string is this. How? How you can write this algorithm better way? So, we have solved it order of n, correct? Now, I am
Huh.
saying, can you optimize this time complexity? Mohit says yes. So, do you think optimize this algorithm?
I know this way only.
Not this way, anyway. Can you optimize this algorithm? Algorithm means, can you
Time.
write in a better way so that your time complexity will be decreased?
Okay, okay. Just let me think once.
Yeah. So this is called optimizations. When interviewer will say, can you optimize this complexity?
One thing can I do, that is, I will iterate through half the string. Hello.
Yeah.
I will iterate through half the string, and if aim matches, just say if it is mom.
Hmm.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm listening. Please go ahead.
Uh, if aim matches with that aim, then and like then it will do a palindrome.
You are almost gone through the same part. But yeah, so practically when I so so my whole point is, when you will be given any problem, try to see the input, okay? Example, and try to see the output. You will be able to figure out lots of things. See, palindrome means like a both way. This is similar, correct? If you reverse, it is similar. So that is means first character and before and last character should be same, correct?
Yes,
So now
yes,
here, anyway, this is the first character and this is the last character. Oh, these are not same, so never they cannot be a palindrome.
yes,
We can terminate it immediately.
We can immediate terminate, means we can write, we can take another variable. So let's say outside we can take J equals to array length. So let's say this is the STL length. So what we can check? We can check I, okay, is equals to J. Correct? Are you getting my points?
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
First index, character and last index is equal, then fine. If not equal, then
Break.
break, okay, and immediately return what? Not palindrome. So that is means this program just run only one iteration, correct? Not run others iteration. Getting my point?
हाँ हाँ.
One iterations, not other iterations, right? So in this case, what could be the time complexity? Maximum it can go to up to n by 2, correct?
हाँ हाँ.
Yes or no? I mean, if let's say this is the case, mom, so it can go up to 2, n by 2. So that is 2. Okay. So time complexity should be order of n by 2. Maximum, correct? Because I said big O notations
हाँ
gives
हाँ.
max. Yes or no? Okay, guys. Thank you for waiting for me. Yeah. So we understood how to iterate the array, count the vowels, consonant, or reverse the strings, and how to check palindrome optimization solutions. Now, the one of the important, I mean, again, this is not so important. We are just, you know, brushing up the basics, and I'm helping you to think differently so that our journey will be easy. I mean, in future, whatever we are going through it, you should able to understand that journey should be easy. So similarly, string is hacker algo. Okay. The questions is print each character frequency. Character frequency. Okay. That is the question. So here H is 1. A 2 times is present. So that is means, let's say small or capital A 2. C present 1 time. C should be 1. K present 1 time. K 1. E present 1 time. E is 1. L 1. G 1 and O 1. How you will do that? Do you understand the problem? Rohit?
Yes.
Okay.
हाँ हाँ.
So for this case, we need a special kind of a object. See, in Python, there is a collections. Okay. In C++, there is a STL standard tag library something. Okay. And in Java, there is a collection. Also collection object. So we need a kind of a map object. Okay. That is having a key and
Value pair.
value pair. Okay. Special data structure we need. So the representations can be hash map. We can pre-map as well, but it's not needed. So we'll be not explore this one, but let's say hash map. Okay. So how it's work? So it's basically the key and value. Key is unique, so that's what key cannot be duplicate in a map. Value can be duplicate. So what we can do? Similar way. hacker algo. Okay, what we can do? Okay, we have taken map. Okay, map object. We have taken map object. Correct. So key is character. Okay, right. And value is what?
Number of frequency.
Integer. Correct. Integer. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct.
Yes, yes.
So we are iterating. Okay, we are iterating. First we take H. Okay, we'll be putting the map. H is present. Just think, H is present. If present, the condition is if present. Okay, if present, then take the value, and increase by 1. Correct. If not, put H as a key and value as a 1. Are you getting my point? So first of all, H came. H is present. H is not present. So then it is going else part. So now map is H1. Then A came. A is present. No, A is not present. Okay. So A1. Then C came. C is present. No. Then C1. Then K. K is present. No. K1. Then E present. No. E not present. Then E1. Then R. R is present. No. Then A. Now A is present. That's what it will execute this line. Take the current value. What is the current value? A is 1. Increase by 1. So now 1 becomes 2. Similarly L, similarly G, similarly O, and your program got stopped. Yes or no?
Yes.
Rohit,
I am able to understand this one.
sure, pakka, no doubt.
No doubt.
Time complexity,
10 times.
order of n. See, you are iterating n times. Rohit, you are iterating n times, so order of n,
Order of n.
right? Now, why these questions is important, I'm telling you. In future, or might be you have seen in lead code, okay, find out kth frequent number. Have you encountered these questions? Kth frequent number, most frequent number. These are important questions. So kth means if they will give you 2. So in this case, what is the most frequent number? A. And second most frequent number, what? Either A, C, anyone. Okay. But if they will say the most frequent number, so you have to print the A. Are you getting the question?
Yes, yes.
Then kth, based on the value, so you have to determine what should be the kth, I mean third frequent number. Sorry, characters. So that is the intercharacter. So that is means you have to learn this. Then we can go this. And these are lead code questions. Kth frequent number is a medium level questions. And I encountered one interview, to be honest. Okay, Mohit?
Okay.
Have you seen these questions? Kth frequent number?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So we'll solve it using kth. Okay. So now we have a kind of a, we have done little bit brush up on the string. Okay. Now our second most important part is array. 1D. So we have brushed up the strings 1D. So array, how we declare integer. See, forget about the syntax. 4, 5, 3, 10. So this is a one-dimensional array, correct? So similarly for array, similarly for string, we need to understand how to iterate the array. How to iterate the array? Based on index, correct?
Yes.
This one 0, this one 1, this one 2, right? So
Yes.
how
Yes.
we can iterate? I is equals to 0, I less than array len, correct? I plus plus, then ARR. So
5.
we can iterate array based on index, correct? Now this is fine. Okay. Now my questions is find out sum, average. You can do it, right?
Yes.
We can take sum as a variable. Then sum is equals to what? We can write.
Plus equals to.
Yeah, I mean just I'm breaking it. Array I. Okay, correct. And when there is a average after this loop, we can done sum by
Length.
what?
Array length.
Array length. Correct.
Yes.
Similarly, we can calculate mean. We have done it mean, median. Yes or not?
Yes.
Correct. Mean, median, we can do it.
Mean is like average only. Same like average.
Ah, I mean I'm saying.
Uh-huh.
Correct.
And median? How to take out the median?
That is the formula. Median.
Oh, using that formula only, na?
Ah.
Okay.
Now my point is, see. Oh, how it is impacting. Now my questions is, we have understood sum, average, mean. Okay. Now we can say find out largest and a smallest from the array. Can you able to do it?
Yes. We'll have a
Uh,
variable. We'll have a variable.
okay. Can you able to do it, Rohit? Thanks, Mohit. Mohit, can you able to do it? Sorry, Rohit. So both name is similar, Mohit, Rohit. Okay. Rohit,
Yes, yes.
how we can do that? We can assume let, okay,
First number with the largest or smallest.
let A0 means I, something A0 is equals to largest.
Yes.
So now I think this is largest. Now my pointer goes to this. Okay. This one greater than this.
Yes, then change it.
Then replace the current largest with this. If not, continue, 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 continue. So let's say this one, 5. So my largest is pointing now 5. Okay. Now my counter goes here. Okay. Let's say if ARRI, okay, greater than largest means 5, correct? So ARRI is 3. 3 greater than 5. No, don't do it. Now next time, iterate and this came. Okay. 10 greater than 5. Yes. Then replace largest with
10.
10. Correct? Similarly, we can find the smallest by thinking 1 as the smallest. Since 1 is the smallest, then whenever you are encountering the entire array, so it will not be replaced. So my smallest should be 1. Correct? So what is time complexity?
Yes,
Order
we
of,
go of n only because we're
yeah,
iterating throughout the array.
yeah. Okay. So we understand largest, smallest. What should be next questions? Can anyone tell me what should be the next questions?
Kth smallest, kth largest.
Kth smallest, okay, and kth largest. Are you getting my point? So that time they will give you this array and also k value. Let's say k if they will give you 3. Okay. So in this case, what is the third largest number? 10 is 1, second is 5, right? And third is what? 4. So what should be your output? 4. Correct? Are you getting my point?
Yes, yes.
So that next question should be your kth largest and smallest number. But unfortunately, will not cover this one in this sessions because we are not going medium level problem.
One simple thing we can do is like short the array
Ah,
and print that index, third largest or any kth
correct.
largest. And
So
in the back they uses n log n algorithm for shorting.
right, right. So this is we can do it with the help of inbuilt functions. Okay, that is the sorting functions. Sort the array and find out the index of the kth. Okay, whatever Mohitis mentions. So we are not going to explore this one because this one we have a dedicated sessions that is a kth problem. Okay, so that time we will be explore kth largest number, kth smallest number. That time we will explore kth frequent number. Are you getting my point, Rohit?
Ha
And
ha
these
ha.
these are medium. Okay, medium level questions. Okay, not easy. Okay, Mohit, Rohit, Mohit. So you can explore later. Now our next part is 2D array. See, why we need to learn 2D array? There is a flat fill algorithm. Just I am saying something. Okay. So that you can understand flat fill algorithm. There is a Iceland problem. You know Iceland problem. Have you seen?
No, no, no.
Okay. Mohit, no. There is a escape problem. Do you know? Escape problem, Iceland problem, flat fill problem. There is a n queen problem.
Yes.
That you know.
10 queens we know. I know.
Yeah. But escape Iceland, all problems are there. Okay. So this kind of problem you need a what?
2D array.
Gary. grid. In a simple fact, you need a grid. Correct? That is grid. So 1 is I. Okay, this is I1, this is I2, this is I3. Another J1, J2, J3. So in a simple, I is equals to row and J is equals to what? J is equals to what?
Column.
Column, right? Then this is the index. What is index? I1, comma, J1.
J1.
So we need coordinations X, comma, Y to point out certain element in a grid. Correct, Mohit?
Yes.
So here we need certain coordinate. Okay, that is a X, comma, Y. You can say X, comma, Y. So first of all, what we need to learn? We need to learn how to iterate or access the elements. Correct?
Yes.
How to iterate or access the element. Now, this is this part, and now will be array. Integer array. How we represent two-dimensional array? Something like that. Correct? Okay. This is a two-dimensional array representations. It looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Agree? Agree?
Ha
Jolly.
ha.
Yes.
And this is row and this is column.
Column.
Okay. So what we can do? Row this, then from this we can come like this. So we can take for row, let's say row, we can take I0. So we can increment I1, we can increment I2. So then we can point this row is I1, this row I2, and this row I3. And since we are dealing with index, so this one I0. Correct? This is the array. So index starting with 0. Correct? Are you getting my point? This is array, so we have to access through the index. Okay? Agree?
Hmm.
Yes.
Similarly, this is J column J0, J1, J2. So what we can understand? We can understand to access any element for AR, we need I comma J. Correct? This is I comma J. This is also 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 I comma J. But what we can do? Okay. First element ARR 0. First row and column is 0. What is the value? 1. Correct? Error. First row. Column 1. Value is 2. Error. 0. First row. Column 2. Value is 3. Correct? Correct? Or we can go different way. We can, I mean, here we kept array constant, row constant. Row constant. Okay? We accessing row wise. Same row. Uh, Different things we can do it. We can access column wise as well. So column we can keep it constant. ARR, let's say 0, 0. That is 1. ARR 1, 0. That is 4. ARR 2, 0. That is 7. So either we can go these directions or we can go these directions. If we go these directions, make row as a constant, and if we go these directions, make column as a constant. So if we are going these directions, what should be coding? For integer I0, I less than what? Row length. Okay? Row length. I plus plus. Then for each and every I, j is equals to 0, j less than
Yes.
column j plus plus. And we can access erij. But if we need to access this one, so we have to just reverse the logic. J0, correct? Here j is constant, correct? J less than column. Are you getting my point? Rohit?
Yes.
So, did you understand how to iterate or not?
One second, just tell na.
There is a two ways we can iterate, either row wise or column wise. Okay. So one part is row is constant. So that's what we made. Row 0 less than row length and row plus plus. Then J0, J less than column, J plus plus and accessing IJ. But if we want to go the column wise, so then column is fixed, right? Column is 0, constant here, correct? So then that we have to reverse the logic, means column J0. Okay, so what I am saying, so for column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I am saying if we go for this direction, column, okay, sorry, column directions, here column is 0, 1, 2, row is 0, 1, 2, okay. So if we go these directions, so what we need to write? We need to write for, let's say, j is equals to 0, j means column, j less than column, okay, j plus plus, okay. And then inside that for loop, then I should be increment. I is equals to 0, I mean row, less than row, I plus plus, okay. And then we are accessing I comma j, okay. But if you are going these directions, so that time it should be row. Just reverse it. I0, I less than row, I plus plus. Okay. Then for j is equals to 0, j less than column j plus plus. Are you getting my point?
Ha.
What should be the time complexity accessing an element?
N square.
N in I into J.
Order of m into n, not n square.
I
Means
into J.
here it is n because 3 into 3 na. For that reason I have
Hmm.
to.
Yeah, but actually m into n. Number
M
of
into n.
row
Number
into
of
column.
columns. Multiplication.
Fine.
Yes.
Okay. So we'll be solving some problems using matrix. So just uh, just take a 8-minute break. We'll be returning after exactly 7:05. Okay, just 8-minute break. Okay, because I don't want like it should be long. Okay, so 8-minute breaks and then we'll be covering the rest of the part. Okay, everyone there?
Ha.
Okay, so this is a matrix M1. Okay, matrix M1, and this is a matrix M2. Okay, now the questions is sum. Sum and subtract. We have to do it from M1 to M2. I mean, one is M1 plus M2, another is M1 minus M2. And multiplication M1 multiply M2, it's your task. Your task, I'll explain you your task. Okay, that is your task. I mean, you can practice after these sessions or tomorrow, today, any day. Okay, multiplications you should practice yourself. Okay. So how we can subtract? So subtract or sum. The normal logic is 1 to 1. Means this will be adding with this. This will be adding with this. Okay. This will be adding with this. Like similar. Whatever the positions it has, it should be same. Okay. So that is means, let's say one array, one element of matrix Aij, that is pointing the first element. Similarly, another matrix, so let's say A2 should be pointing the same element. Correct? And you should keep write a result matrix I comma C, because also it is a same index. Are you getting my point? From here, whatever the new matrix form will be happen. So that is 1 plus 6, 7. Correct? Next time, it will point 1. It will point 1. It will point 1. It will point 1. Sorry, 0, 1. Row wise, we are going 0, 1. It will point 2. It is pointing 2. It is pointing 5. So 2 plus 5, 7. So result matrix 7, 7. Next time, it is 2. It is 2. So that is means it is pointing 3.
Yes.
It is pointing 2.
2, 5.
So 5. Then again, next iterations, simple. I become now what? I become now 1. Correct? J become 0 because it is coming 0. So I1, J 0. So it is pointing what? It is pointing next time 4. It is pointing 8. Okay. So now result is 12. Now after that again I is 1 but J is now 1. correct? So similarly, it is pointing this and pointing this 14. So this is how we should calculate. Okay. Now the point is what I am saying. So you can take another matrix, let's say I integer result matrix new int. Okay. What should be size of row, and this one size of column. Okay. So let's say first matrix M1. Okay. So we can find out the row. Sorry, first matrix M1. What we can write? So M1. So let's say M1 row. Okay. So that should be the M1 dot length is row. Okay. And M1, this is row. M row. M column. M1 0 dot length. So this is the process to find out the column. Similarly, another matrix. Okay. So that is a M R2. So similarly, M2 dot length. This is how we can calculate. Okay. And M C2. Okay. M20 dot length. So this is how we can calculate, and we can write a loop same for.
Once again, please repeat the length area. Na, my network was.
Okay. See, this is the, this is okay. So if you apply, okay, array dot length, okay, array dot length means
Ha ha ha.
r dot length, it will give you row. Row is 3, okay. But particular row, you need a column. So that's what I did, matrix 0. So you will get the column length. Are you getting my point?
Ha ha ha.
So that's what.
Array side array. Array
Ah,
length, sub array length.
ah. Okay. So it's a simple, for I is equals to 0, I less than row, I plus plus. Okay. For j is equals to 0, j less than column, any column, because for matrix rules is if you need to subtract or sum, both matrix should be same size, means 2 cross 2. If first matrix is 2 cross 2, second matrix also has to be 2 cross 2. So if you calculate any matrix row and column, so it will be done. Getting my point? Result I comma j is equals to this. Okay. M1 matrix I comma j plus M2 matrix I comma j. And if you need to subtract, just change plus to minus. That's done. Are you getting my point? Rohit.
Ha ha.
Okay. Now, multiplications I am explaining you. Okay. I am explaining you, but you have to do yourself. So for sum and subtractions, what I mentions, both should be same. Means if that is a 2 cross 2, others matrix has to be 2 cross 2. Okay. But let's say this is a m into n. Okay. And this is a n into p. Okay. Both matrix, I mean, if you need to do the multiplication, okay, first matrix column should be same of second matrix row. Means final your result should be M into P. Are you getting my point? If that is a M cross N, it has to be N cross P. Or else matrix multiplications will not be happen. It can be. Are you getting my point?
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
These are the rules. So how you will do that one? Either you can row wise, you can go row wise or column wise. So let me go row wise. Okay. So this is a row. Correct? It will multiply, take the row, multiply with column. Okay? And do the summation. So 1 multiply 5. So how it would be 1 multiply 5 is 1 multiply 5 plus 2 multiply 7.
7.
This is first element. Second element, this again, it will multiply with this. Okay? So what? 1 multiply 6 plus 2 multiply 8. Okay? For third element, again I am taking row and multiply with this. Okay? So 3 multiply with 5 plus 4 multiply with 7. Okay? And again this will this. Okay? 3 multiply 6 plus 4 multiply 8. And the final matrix M should be 5 plus 17 equals to 19, 6 plus 16, 22, okay, 15 plus 28, 33, and this is 32 plus 18, that is a 40. That should be our result. 10 matrix multiplication. Are you getting my point? You can take row,
Yes,
multiply
yes.
with column. But if you take reverse, so let's say this. If you take column, then you have to multiply with row. Are you getting my point?
Mm-hmm.
Mohit, okay?
Yes, okay.
So you have to write this logic. So actually, I have explained you the logic, correct? Indirectly, I
Yes.
have explained you the logic. Now you have to write these things, okay, yourself. Practice it, okay? That is your task. And interestingly, this is a very simple solution. Okay, I'm just showing you. Okay, this is the solution. Okay, but I'll not. I mean, just the time complexity is order of m into n into p. Okay, for multiplication. Okay, so now we have understood the matrix multiplications, summations, subtractions. Now in future, what they will come up na? They can give you sort the matrix. What they can give you? Sort the matrix. Means, let's say this is the matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They can mention, you can sort row wise or column wise. Also, they can give you the questions, search some element using binary search on matrix. You have done it 1D array, but you have to do it 2D array. Are you getting my point? This is a medium level problem, and matrix level problem we'll explore near future. But this is a medium level problem. But I want to do a transpose of a matrix. Do you know what is transpose of a matrix?
Yes, yes,
Row,
yes.
column, column, row.
Okay.
Row column interchange.
Interchange. So what you will do, basically you are iterating the matrix, correct? For I0, I less than row length, correct? what is the row? Row is equals to matrix dot length, correct? Right? Then for j is equals to 0, j less than column. What is column? Column is m0 dot length, correct? You can give 1, doesn't matter. Okay. J plus plus. So now what you can do? You have to do aj I is equals to aij. But for the things, you have to take one temporary. Okay. Or else your actual value will be interchange. Are you getting my point? So you can take a, let's say, temporary something. Okay. So aij what? This. Okay. Just think it. So this, and I said j comma I. So then my matrix is this. Okay. Then I comma j. 1 is 4. Correct? J comma I. What should be? J value is what? What j value? 1. What is the I value? 0. So it will pick up 1 comma 0. Are you getting my point?
One second.
Sorry. So next time I comma j means 4. Correct? I comma j is 4, right? Next iterations. I is equals to what? 0. J equals to 1. Correct? Rohit. First element is 0 comma 0.
Yes.
Next element is 0 comma 1.
Hmm.
So next element what? 4. Where I am placing j comma I. What is j? J is 1. What is I? I is 0. So what it will pick up? Where it should save? This element, that is row 1 and column 0. That's what. Now
Yes.
4 become here. Third element. Okay. Third element is 0 comma 2. That is 5. They picked up 5. But where it is saving? J comma I 2 comma 0. 2 means this is a third row and 0 column. So that's what placing. Are you getting my point? In single iterations, you can just reverse it. You are picking ij and storing j comma I. Correct?
It is storing in temporary variable, na?
Ah. Because if you do it in original, then it will be affected.
And
This
then it
value
will be
will go away.
replaced. Value will be
Right.
replaced.
So you are picking up here and you are placing here. So that's what picking up I comma j. So in a simple, picking up I comma j and storing in j comma I. Correct? Agree? Mohit?
Swapping can, yes, swapping can also be done here.
Yes, swapping can done, but this is the best and easiest solution. Why you? I mean, it would be same complexity. Then why you go for
Yes.
same complexity time wise, but space wise you need another
Yes,
matrix.
another matrix.
But if you swap it, so you don't need matrix.
Hmm.
Okay,
So I do.
Rohit?
Here is the space. Here the space complexity is more, but in case of swapping in the same original matrix, I will change, replace the
Correct.
values.
Just you have to take one variable. Okay. And now we are able to access all the elements of matrix. Correct. We are able to do the sum, median, average. Okay. We are able to do the matrix summations, subtractions, then matrix multiplications. I explained. We have done the matrix transpose. Now, I want you should find out the matrix diagonal element. This is diagonal element. Okay. This is called primary diagonal element, and this is called secondary. Can anyone tell me how to find out primary diagonal element? Just think. This is I mean for row, and this is column J.
Where I double equals to J.
Have you seen the interesting pattern? 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, something like that. 3, 3. It will be like this. Yes or no? Rohit, are you getting my point?
Ha.
0, 0. My primary. I am talking about primary. So now, if we do, so let's say integer matrix length, mat row. Okay, row. Row length. What is the row length? M dot length. Okay. So here 3 came. Correct. Now what we are doing for I is equals to 0, I less than row length, I plus plus. Okay. If you access this one, I comma I, are you able to access the primary diagonal element? Yes or no? First, I came 0, so 0, 0. Second, I came 1, 1, 1. Third, 2, 2, 2. Are you able to access the primary or no?
Yes, yes.
Mohit,
Yes.
easy? If questions will come, can you do the sum of the primary diagonal element? Are you able to do it? You can take another variable,
Sum plus equals to ARR of I.
correct? Agree? Agree, right?
Yes.
Now, what about secondary? Can you think? What about secondary? I explain about primary. I am giving you hints. This is a what? This is a 0, comma 2. Okay. This is 1, comma what? 1. This is 2, comma 0. Are you getting the pattern? 0, 1, 1, 2, 0. Just think, row increasing by 1, but column decreasing by what? 1.
1.
Row increasing by 1, Mohit, right? And column decreasing by 1. Correct? So how to access? We
It
can
need to
access
take the I and J both.
AR. Correct? J should be n minus I minus 1. So what is the n value? What is the n value? Now tell me. See, if we use the I is increasing. So that is mean 0, 1, 2 is achievable using I. Yes or no? Just we need to find out this formula. Correct? Agree, Mohit? Rohit?
Yes.
Yes.
I is increasing, that's what I. Here both was increasing. Okay. 0, 0, 1, 1. So that's what I comma I. Here I is increasing 0, 1, 2. That's what I. But j is increasing. That's what n minus I minus 1. Why? N. N value is what? 3.
3 minus 2. 3
3
minus 0 minus 1, 2.
minus 0 minus 1.
Minus 2.
See, why I am doing the minus 1 first of all? Can you tell me?
For length,
Because index matrix
index starts
start
from
with
0.
0 and length is 3. But actually it's a 2. Right?
That's right.
Correct? That's what 3 minus 1 equals to 2 minus 0. Second time I will be become what? 1. Correct? Are you getting my point?
Yes. Important.
Rohit?
Yes, yes.
My point is why n minus 1? Because matrix. Correct?
We have
Because the
0 base index.
index starts from 0 na, but the length takes one more.
So that's what n minus 1. And why you understood n minus 1? Why? Correct? And why I minus 1? Because when I value is 0, it should be 2. When I value is 1, it should be 1. So that's what. Are you getting my point? It is going decreasing by 1. That's what we are minusing I. Because what is our sequence? 2, 1, 0. Decreasing by 1. So who is increasing by 1? I. That's what we are doing the minus with n minus 1 minus I. इसीलिए हम लोग n माइनस 1 के साथ माइनस आई कर रहे हैं क्योंकि i का वैल्यू एक इंक्रीज कर रहा है. करेक्ट? तो हम लोगों को j का वैल्यू डिक्रीज करवाना है. करेक्ट? सो दैट्स व्हाट वी आर डूइंग n माइनस 1 minus I. Yes or no?
Yes.
Rohit,
Yes.
any issues? Any problem? Or
Till
okay?
now, no issue.
No issue. So, today we have done string. Okay. We start with kth element, but most of the things we have explored. We have done 1D array. We start with kth largest element. Same thing. Today we have done 2D array. Okay. Matrix. But
Multiplication.
we have to work. No. I am not saying you should learn yourself. Definitely, I'll explain kth. But matrix multiplications you have to done yourself. But apart from that, others part like sorting in the matrix, searching in the matrix using binary search, then flat fill algorithm, escape problem, then our ice problem. So we'll go later. Okay. So this is basic. Next week we'll be having another sessions. What? Number system. Rest of the things. Okay. Number system. Number series. And pattern. So let's say example for Pascal triangle. Pascal triangle is a pattern. Correct? So we'll learn all those things. So next week will be sessions, having session matrix, number system, and Pascal triangle. Okay, these three things will be having in the sessions. And yeah, so if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Yeah, how it's went and yeah, please. Or I mean, if you want to say like there was a whatever you were explaining where, so I'm not getting it or anything, please let me know. Definitely in future will be dry run some code. It's not like I'll be explaining only the whiteboard. So definitely we'll dry run some code. Since we have covered lots of basic things, that's what we didn't dry run it. Okay.